In this video, I will be showing you guys iMessage tips, tricks and hidden features that you probably didn't know even existed. Now let's jump straight into the process. You can see this iMessage box. Type here any of the text that you want to send. Now here you can see this arrow icon. Tap on it. Just long press on it. You can see different effects. You can choose any of them. You can choose invisible ink, gentle, loud, slam. At the top you can see this screen effect as well. You can choose the screen effect by tapping on it. Like swipe right. You can select whichever you want to and then you can tap on this arrow. Likewise, you can apply this effect to photos as well. Here you can see different options. Tap on this option photos. Now select the photo. Long press on this arrow given. Select the screen or bubble effect. Here I will be selecting screen effect. Now tap on this arrow and send it. Isn't this very cool feature? Now here you can see different options. Tap on this app store. From here you can just share different apps. Also you can play the games on iMessage. Make sure your friend has also downloaded the same app and you can easily play it. Now go back. You can see this stickers option. Tap on it. From here you can just respond to the text by sending different stickers. You can select any of them. You just have to long press on it and then drag it and you can send it. You can send it different emojis. Also you can remove it. Just long press. Go to the option sticker details. Swipe on right. You can see this delete icon. Tap on it. In this way you can also delete these stickers. Now here you can see this Memojis option. Tap on it. Here you can select different Memojis and you can add your voice to it and you can send it. You have to bring your face to the view. Firstly select the Memoji. You can see this red icon. Firstly you want to select the Memoji and then you have to press on this red icon and then you can send it. Likewise you can see this option of digital touch. Tap on it. Here you can just type whatever you want to. You just can draw whatever you want to. Also you can select the colors in this way and then you can tap on this arrow and send it. These are the very different features of iMessage. Now another feature is you have to turn your phone to landscape mode. Now at the bottom right corner you can see this kind of icon. Tap on it. Now here you can write anything you want to. And then tap on done given at the top right corner. Tap on this arrow. It is sent. You can see that message box is very plain. You can add subject to it. Just close it and open settings. Scroll down. Go to the option messages. Open it. Again scroll down. You can see this option of show subject field. Turn on this icon. Now close it and open your iMessage. You can see that subject has been added to your iMessage box. In this way now you can send this message along with the subject. Also you can filter the unknown senders in iMessage. Go to the settings again. You can see this option of filter unknown senders. You just have to turn on this icon and it will filter your unknown senders. In this way you can apply different tips, tricks and hidden features of iMessage. I hope you find this video helpful. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.